Good morning, students. So let us continue the next part of this chapter, the 100 dresses, part 1. In the last video module, we have learnt about Wanda Petronsky, her seat. Nobody knew that why she sat in the corner. Might be because she belongs to Bogin Heights, a kind of Islam area where maximum dust, etc. All these things. So the next point coming, that is when the children that they thought of Wanda Petronsky, and this Polish American girl who was studying in American school in America. And the children of that school, especially that room number 13, that they thought only at that time about Wanda Petronsky, when especially outside the school, after school hours, outside the school hours, and the children that they had waited for her. Why? Because only to make fun with her. So that was the reason. Whenever, for example, before starting the school or after the school, it means going to the school and coming back from the school to home. At that time, the children, or especially the girls, that they thought about this girl Wanda Petronsky, and you know that why they had been waiting, especially outside the school, only to make fun of Wanda Petronsky. After the school and before the school, right? But on Tuesday, what happened? She did not come. She did not come on Tuesday. So next, that is the explanation given about Peggy and Maddie, right? Especially these two girls, Peggy and Maddie, they thought about Wanda always. Usually that they used to think. Why? Only for making the fun of this girl, Wanda Petronsky. And Peggy and Maddie, they sat in the front rows, for example, at the front, in the front of the class, and plus they had good marks in subjects. And Peggy, already I described the most popular girl in this classroom, the talented girl. She was pretty plus had curly hairs. That was the description is given. Most popular girl, pretty one plus had a curly hair. And Maddie was the inseparable part of Peggy. It means the closest friend of Peggy. Who? This Maddie. And they are always that they wanted to have fun of Wanda Petronsky. These two girls, Peggy and Maddie especially. And especially that day, that they had they had late for the school, and they noticed the absence of Wanda Petronsky. Why? Because of Wanda Petronsky, that they had late to the school. Because they were waiting outside the school on the street at the corner. They were waiting for Wanda Petronsky to tease her. So that is why that they got late for the school. And that is the reason why they noticed her absence on that day. Because they were late. Right? So the next point, that is other children. This is what we have talked about when Peggy and Maddie. They had late for the school that day. Because they had been waiting outside the school for Wanda Petronsky to come and to make fun, but she did not come. So that is why they noticed that she was not present on that day. Now the other children, especially in the school or in America, the names are not like Wanda Petronsky. They have some simple names. For example, it is given here Thomas, Smith, Alan, such names that they had in that American school or in America. and so that is why only one name was there, that is Bounce something or Willie Bounce, and the people thought that it is also one of the strange name, Willie Bounce, but not that much like Wanda Petronsky. It means they felt that it means Wanda Petronsky, it is one of the strange name, it means funny name she had. Who thought? Other children. This is about the mindset of remaining children. Now, when we think about Wanda and other children in school, Wanda Petronsky and other children in school, one thing major that Wanda Petronsky, that she was a poor Polish, it means poor Polish American girl living at Bogin Heights, a kind of a slum area might be, right? And she didn't have friends in the school. She was alone. It means coming alone to school and going alone back to home, right? It means she had almost no friends at all. She was alone, and every day she wore the same dress, that is a faded blue dress, every day. The writer has given the description that the dress was clean, though every day the same dress, but it was clean, but it had been looked like as never been ironed. From so many days, it had never been ironed, this dress, and it did not fit properly. The dress. You got it? What I mean to say? Though the dress was clean, but it didn't fit properly to Wanda Petronsky. Plus, it looked like it had never been ironed properly from so many days. Right? So this is what about the dress. And in the school, all the girls, lot of girls that they talk to Wanda, especially in the schoolyard, outside the school premises. Whenever Wanda that she used to come there, she had been there, definitely she would have been surrounded by all the girls in schoolyard. And Wanda that she stood there in the schoolyard looking at the girls, junior girls or the small girls playing a game of hopscotch, right? Who Wanda stood in the schoolyard looking at the girls, small girls that who were playing a game like hopscotch that is given, right? She stood. So the next girls make fun of Wanda. Especially Peggy, this character, American girl, would ask Wanda always that she would ask different questions to Wanda Petronsky. And in that one question that she asked to Wanda that how many dresses did you say you had at your home, in your closet? Who used to ask? Peggy asked to Wanda Petronsky. Just like it means giving a nudge to other girls or to Maddie. Nudge means a kind of a gentle push, right? It is given here, right? Giving one of her friends a nudge, a kind of a gentle push with the elbow, that she asked the question. So it means how many dresses did you say you had at your home, in your closet? It means in kind of a teasing manner that she asked the questions. And Wanda would say 100, because this is the title of our chapter. Wanda would say 100 dresses. 100. So then, that was the Wanda's reply. And one more thing here. Why she started giving the reply? One reason is that because she was fed up of this teasing or such type of the questions. So that is why finally she made her mind in this way that she gave the answer, and she was a determined girl. Who? Wanda Petronsky. Though quite simple, but still that she was a determined girl, having the willpower, that she did not speak anything, no would answer nothing, only that she spoke that I had hundreds of the dresses at home, all lined up in my closet, right? CLOSET, all are lined in my closet or cupboard. And then the girls would ask about the colors, right? Whenever she would say I had hundreds of the dresses at home, other girls who had who had been playing, they also used to come there, stop playing and start listening. Other girls. And then Peggy asked her, Wanda Petronsky, that definitely you would be having different colors of the dresses, maybe the green, blue, silk, velvet, everything. They would ask about the colors. And Wanda would say, yes, I have different colors, different dresses of various colors, in that silk, velvet, blue, green, everything. It means I had hundreds of dresses, all lined up in my cupboard, closet, silk, velvet. So then later on, all the girls that they burst into laughter, started laughing in this way. One more question Peggy had asked to Wanda Petronsky. What was the question? What did you say? How many pairs of shoes you had at your home? Then Wanda would say, what? I had 60 pairs of shoes, 60 pairs, right? Shoes. So she gave the answer, she replied to Peggy. Why? Because of nature of Peggy. She was fed up of all these questions, so that is why then she decided that to reply, not in a rude manner but in a simple way. So pairs of shoes, and in this way that they would start laughing then, all the girls. Wanda would leave then to her house, it means towards her house, that is Bogins Heights, and then after her, then on her back, other girls, that they would start laughing, laugh and laugh. So in this way, it means asking one of the girls that how many dresses you had, how many pairs of shoes, or teasing her by her name, it is a kind of a bullying at the school, teasing at the school, a kind of a ragging. So such kind of the behavior or the nature is not expected in the school, not from anyone. If we are doing the racism, or on the basis of color, if we are teasing on the basis of caste, religion, nationality, not accepted at all. But here, the same thing had happened in the school. American girls, they teased a Polish American girl by her name and by her dresses, right? Or the different things. Last, that is more of Peggy, right? Let us learn more about this character, Peggy, being an American girl. Actually, Peggy, she was not so much cruel character, though we say that she had teased Wanda Petronsky, but actually Peggy, that she was not very much cruel character. How? 2-3 examples are given. Number one, that is she used to protect the children from bullying. Bullying means, for example, the torture of the junior by the seniors in the school. Whenever she had she used to see that the seniors, that they are, for example, that they are bullying the juniors, that definitely she used to go there for their help. She protected the small children from the seniors, from the bullying. This is the first positive thing in case of Peggy. Second thing, right? Second thing, she cried for hours. Whenever that she saw an animal was being mistreated, for example, an animals being mistreated. It means animal lover. She was an animal lover. She could not see that somebody used to mistreat the animals, misbehaved with the animals. So this is the second positive point, right? So but because of her positive points, whenever the people, they would ask her that why did you tease? Why it means why did you tease to Wanda Petronsky then? Then Peggy would reply that because look at the nature of Wanda Petronsky. She had hundreds of the dresses. Actually, she wore only one dress, same dress every day. But she said the way that she boasted. In her reply, Peggy used to say that why did she boast then, pretend then, having hundreds of the dresses. So that is why Peggy said Wanda Petronsky is not an ordinary person. Right? Because why? Because she boasted having the hundreds of the dresses. So that is why she was not an ordinary person, and her name was also. So that is why. But she, especially Maggie, she had never made her cry in her life, especially Wanda Petronsky. So now in this way we have seen some 5-6 points, right? So rest of the points that we will continue one more video. Thank you.